Hi, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make the flyer I sent you. So we are going to start by creating our page, our new document page. So I'll be using millimeters in this video, either inches, pixels, any measurement you use. Make sure the width and the height are the same, okay, so that your design will be in a square shape instead of a rectangle. Okay, so we are going to create this, and this is how our page will look like. We are going to bring our image, so you go to file, you go to open. I'm going to look for the files that I downloaded. It's in this folder. I've named it flyer. Okay, so these are the things you are going to be using for our design. So I'm going to open this image first, that of the lady. Okay, so our lady will show here. This arrow, if you click it, you will see your other tab here. This is where we are working, and this is where the lady is. So I'm going to remove this thing from behind the lady. We want to have only the lady, not everything here. So we are going to crop the image. You go to select up here and you select subject, select, and then subject. So Photoshop is going to make the selection for you so that you don't have to crop the image. So these lines around the image is the selection. So the app has selected for you already. Then you click on this rectangle and circle in the middle. It's called a layer mask. So you click on it like this. Now it is gone. You have only your image here. So let me do it again. This, go to select and then subject. Okay, you see the selection around it. Then we press this layer mask. Now the background is gone and we can move only the image. Okay, so I think we have to drag it to the other side of the page, but it is not showing here. So let's try and copy it. Ctrl C on your keyboard. Click here and then click on the untitled. Let's try and paste it. Okay, so this is our model that we will be using for our design. So we have our lady here. I'm going to start with the lady first. So I'm going to transform and make the lady a little bit bigger. Okay, so we'll create our blue background. Click on the background and then you select your rectangle to change the color to blue. No outline. And let's draw this. So now I have my blue. You see there are some white around the lady. You can use this eraser to if you left click, you can get the size to reduce it here. Left click, reduce the size. If you press left click there, this option will show so that you can reduce the size to the one you want. Okay, so I want it smaller. So I'm going to clean. I'm cleaning the white outside the hair. I don't want it to show in my design, so I'm using the eraser tool. Okay. It's not always that you're going to have this white around your images. Sometimes it's going to be smoother, so you are going to save yourself all this cleaning. But if it shows, you have to take it out of the image. Alright, I think this is okay. So let's draw our second rectangle for our design. So select rectangle. This is going to be the white one. We will change the color to white, and then we are going to curve it a bit because in the design it is curved. Let's use 100. Let's see. Okay, let's use 200. 200 is too much. Let's use 150. Where is 150? 150. Okay, I think this is okay for us. Let's add our text. Our text says withdraw. Withdraw your funds from Smartcast. As easy as okay. So this is good. Let's change our color here, text color. This is red and black, so let me make it black, then I'll make the red later. So you notice in the design the withdraw your funds is slanted and then the rest is straight. So I'm going to change my font here. Okay, I'm going to highlight from this side to withdraw, and I'll change the color to red. If you change the color, select not highlighting only some part of the text. If you change the color, it will affect all of them. If you change the color, it will affect all of them. But make sure you select the text to then you highlight the ones you want to make red and the ones you want to make black. So since this is red, I'm going to highlight this one and make it black. And if all the text are black, I'm going to highlight these ones and make them red. Okay, so with this one selected, I'm just going to change the bold here to italic, bold italic, and then it will be slanted for us. I believe we did this in the other video where I showed you the types of text styles and then their styles. Okay, so we have withdraw your funds from SmartCast as easy as. Okay, this is fine. Now let's go to the second option. We have allow cash out. We'll draw our rectangle. First rectangle here. This is getting bigger. Alright, this is okay. The color is blue with a white outline. So we are going to put a stroke which is white. This is too big. So let's reduce the stroke to somewhere 2 points. Let's make it 3 points. Alright, and let's make the rectangle round. 50. Let's try 50 and see. No, let's try 100. Alright, it is round. Let's move it here a bit. Okay, now since we have this rectangle, I will not want to draw it again, so I'll just duplicate it with Ctrl J on the keyboard, and I'll have 2 rectangles, and I'll put one also here. But this rectangle should come on top of the lady. So in the layer panel, I'm going to move the rectangle on top of the lady so that it shows on top of the lady. Alright, good. So the first rectangle comes with a correct sign. Since we are done with this, let's delete it. How do I even close this? Close. No. So I right clicked on it and then there was close and then I selected it. Okay, so we need allow cash out. So this is italic. I don't want the italic, I want only the bold, the straight one. I'll move it here. Allow cash out. Allow cash out. It's a bit big, so I'm going to transform it, make it smaller. And this font is not supposed to be bold, it's supposed to be a normal font. So let's change the font style to regular. Okay, this is fine, but still I have to reduce the size. This is okay. Now I have this font size. I just duplicate it, Ctrl J, and then bring it here also. I'm going to take the text to and then change this to approve cash out. Okay, move this one also here. So now I have my allow cash out and approve cash out. Okay, we need our correct sign, so I downloaded a correct sign. Go to File, Open, and 1, 2. So I'm going to pick this one. Okay, with this one it has index here, so I cannot select subject with this one. So I'm going to need this tool. It's called a magic wand tool. I'm going to click outside the rectangle, the circle, right click and select inverse. Okay, so now it has selected this circle. I'm going to take the pick tool and I'll drag this one here. So I clicked and I moved. I was holding the left button, got it here, and then I released it here. Okay, so you transform this one to make it small. You put it inside here. Okay, I'm going to double it, Ctrl J, and put the other one also here. Okay, I have my allow cash out, I have my approve cash out, I have my withdraw your funds. Let me transform this and make it a little big. Okay, bring my model up a bit. So I'm going to write SmartCast. So let me close this one also. I'm done with this. File, Open. This is SmartCast logo that I downloaded. Okay, a SmartCast logo will be somewhere here. Edit and transform. You have our SmartCast logo somewhere here, just smaller. No, I'm not moving this one. Okay, so our SmartCast logo will be here. Let's bring it down. This is okay. Now I'm left with the website. www.smartcast.online. Okay, edit, transform. Let's make this small. Okay, this is good. Coming down here also, there's a text down here, SmartCast. Gives you an opportunity to withdraw your funds with ease. Choose SmartCast. once we have this, we are going to also transform it and make it smaller. Transform, make this smaller. I noticed this side of my design looks smaller, so I'm going to select all. I'm going to transform them. I want to make it bigger. I'm going to transform everything here. Okay. I think this is okay. Transforming this one to make it smaller. Let me bring this down. Transform. So this color is different. We are going to change it, make it a yellow color. And the spacing here, we are going to open it up. You do that by changing the number here. So if you change the number here, the spacing will increase. If you increase the number, the space will increase. If you decrease the number, the space will decrease. So I think this is okay. Alright. I think for now we have almost all our details here. We are left with the social media handles. Okay, so select the top text on the layer panel. We want to draw a shape to cover this thing. Yeah, so we're going to draw a shape to cover this side of the design. Rectangle 2, and you draw a white rectangle. Good, this is nice. Okay, so this is okay. We're going to need a triangle here. Let's make it 3 sides. Let's draw the rectangle, no, the triangle rather, sorry. Let's draw the triangle. Color will be blue. Let's transform it. Okay, now let's add our social media handles. First we have WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Okay, and then Play Store. Go to File, Open. So let's open WhatsApp. We can use any of them here. So I have this one. I'm going to take the magic wand to click on the white space. Click on this padlock in the layer panel so that the padlock is removed. Now press delete on the keyboard. Okay, now I've removed everything here, so let's do it again. Magic wand to click on the white background, click on this padlock and press delete on your keyboard. Okay, now we can move these items to our design. But if you move them here, they are all together, so separating them will be a little bit difficult for you. So let's go back. No, you are done with this one. Okay, so you select this tool, rectangular marquee tool. You select only the Facebook. You choose the pick tool and move only the Facebook here. I even noticed the three are together, so let me see. LinkedIn is not here. That's bad. Okay, then we come back to that of the Twitter. Pick to move the Twitter to bring it here. Now we have to, I think we are done with this. Let's close it. File, open. This is LinkedIn. It also has the same background, so we use the magic wand to click on the background, click on the padlock and press delete. Select the pick tool and move this also here. Okay, so we have these three. You hold down the shift key, select these three, then you transform. This one is bigger than the rest, so let's transform it alone. Okay, now they are in line. Hold the shift key and select the three, transform. It smaller. So you can press Ctrl G to group them, so that anytime you select, you just move them together. So Ctrl G in the panel, it is grouped here. Alright, so you can change it and make it handles here. Okay, this is okay. Let's go to that of WhatsApp. Close this one. Open. Where is WhatsApp? This is WhatsApp. It also has a background, so magic wand to click on background, click on padlock, delete on keyboard. Select the pick tool and move it. Transform. This one doesn't have a circle around it, so we're going to create our own circle around it. The circle shouldn't have any color. It should only have a black outline, so a black stroke. Let's make this 5. This is good. Let's put it under the WhatsApp logo. Transform this so that it fits well. Okay, good. Hold the shift key and select the circle. Press Ctrl G to also group. So we have our WhatsApp logo. We have our other media handles. Now we are left with the Play Store. Close this one. File, open. File, open. Come, yeah, Play Store. Now this Play Store has been edited already, so it can be moved. There's no background on it, so we just move it and place our Play Store here. File, transform. Okay, I think this one is okay for the Play Store. Let's add our numbers and then our social media name. 050 space 289 space 3070. Zero, yeah. Let's make this bold. Transform this. Select this too. The WhatsApp should be smaller. Transform. Okay, this is good. This should also be smaller so we can have our Smartcast. Smartcast. Transform. Okay, so I think we are done with our works for now. We have all our details here. We have our model, we have our design, everything we need is here. So I think that is all. I didn't leave anything undone. So try your hands and let me see your work also. Thank you.